15 British inventors who quietly transformed the modern world. The modern world did not appear suddenly. It was built step by step through scientific discovery, engineering breakthroughs, and technological innovation. Across centuries, British inventors helped shape electricity, transportation, medicine, computing, telecommunications, and the internet. Many of their contributions were practical, carefully documented, and foundational to systems we now depend on daily. This detailed, well-documented video explores 15 British inventors who quietly transformed the modern world, ranked from 15 to 1, highlighting verified historical achievements that continue to influence modern technology, science, engineering, global communication, and the digital economy. 15. George Cayley, 1773 to 1857. Sir George Cayley is widely recognized as one of the founding figures of aerodynamics and modern aviation engineering. In papers published between 1809 and 1810, Cayley clearly identified the four forces of flight: lift, drag, thrust, and weight. This separation of aerodynamic principles from propulsion was a major conceptual breakthrough. In 1853, Cayley built and successfully flew a man-carrying glider, often cited as one of the earliest documented sustained glider flights with a passenger. His designs introduced fixed wings and separate systems for lift and thrust, principles still fundamental in aircraft design today. Modern commercial aviation, aerospace engineering, and drone technology rely on aerodynamic theories Cayley formally described decades before powered flight. 14. Joseph Swan, 1828 to 1914. Joseph Swan developed an incandescent electric lamp in Britain in the 1870s. In 1878, he publicly demonstrated a carbon filament bulb capable of sustained illumination. By 1879, he had installed electric lighting in homes and public buildings in England. Swan's improvements in carbon filament production and vacuum sealing made electric lighting practical. In 1883, he partnered with Thomas Edison in Britain to form the Edison and Swan United Electric Light Company. While electric lighting had multiple contributors internationally, Swan's documented work was central to early commercial adoption in Britain. Modern electric lighting systems evolved directly from these early incandescent innovations. 13. John Logie Baird, 1888 to 1946. Scottish engineer John Logie Baird demonstrated a working television system in 1926. His system used mechanical scanning discs and photoelectric cells to transmit moving images. Though later replaced by electronic television systems, Baird's demonstration proved real-time visual broadcasting was technically feasible. In 1928, he achieved the first transatlantic television transmission and later experimented with early color television. Broadcast television, satellite transmission, and eventually streaming media can trace technological lineage back to Baird's early proof-of-concept experiments in image transmission. 12. Frank Whittle, 1907 to 1996. Frank Whittle patented a turbojet engine design in 1930. Despite early funding challenges, he continued developing the concept throughout the 1930s. The Gloucester E-28/39, powered by Whittle's jet engine, flew successfully in 1941. Jet propulsion was also developed independently by Hans von Ohain in Germany, but Whittle's documented patents and engineering work remained foundational to British jet aviation. Modern commercial jet engines operate on the same fundamental compression, combustion, and turbine principles formalized in Whittle's original turbojet designs. 11. Rosalind Franklin, 1920 to 1958. Rosalind Franklin's work in X-ray crystallography produced critical data about DNA's structure. In 1952, she captured Photo 51, an X-ray diffraction image that clearly indicated a helical molecular form. Her measurements provided essential structural dimensions later incorporated into the double helix model published in 1953. Franklin's laboratory research remains a cornerstone of molecular biology and genetics. Modern biomedical research, DNA sequencing, and genetic engineering are grounded in structural understanding derived from this foundational work. 10. James Dyson, 1947. James Dyson developed bagless vacuum cleaner technology using cyclonic separation. After building thousands of prototypes between the late 1970s and early 1980s, he launched the commercially successful Dyson DC-01 in 1993. Cyclonic separation existed in industrial settings, but Dyson adapted and refined it for consumer use. His patented designs eliminated suction loss associated with traditional vacuum bags. Today's bagless vacuum cleaners and modern appliance engineering reflect Dyson's engineering approach and product innovation. 9. Alexander Fleming, 1881 to 1955. In 1928, Alexander Fleming discovered that mold, Penicillium notatum, inhibited bacterial growth. He published his findings in 1929, identifying the antibacterial properties of penicillin. Although Howard Florey and Ernst Boris Chain later developed penicillin for mass production during the 1940s, Fleming's discovery initiated modern antibiotic research. Penicillin became one of the most significant medical advances of the 20th century, reducing deaths from bacterial infections and transforming modern medicine. 8. Isambard Kingdom Brunel, 1806 to 1859. Isambard Kingdom Brunel was a civil and mechanical engineer responsible for transformative infrastructure projects. He designed the Great Western Railway, connecting London to Western England with innovative engineering standards. He also oversaw construction of the SS Great Britain, launched in 1843, the first iron-hulled, propeller-driven ocean-going passenger liner. Brunel's documented engineering achievements influenced shipbuilding, railway systems, bridge design, and large-scale industrial infrastructure. 7. Ada Lovelace, 1815 to 1852. Ada Lovelace collaborated with Charles Babbage on the analytical engine. In 1843, she translated a technical paper about the machine and added extensive notes. Within those notes, she described an algorithm designed for machine processing, widely recognized as the first published computer program. She also proposed that computing machines could manipulate symbols beyond numbers, anticipating broader computational uses. Her documented theoretical insight forms part of the early foundation of computer science. 6. Charles Babbage, 1791 to 1871. Charles Babbage designed the difference engine, an analytical engine, mechanical computing machines intended for automated calculation. Although manufacturing limitations prevented completion during his lifetime, detailed engineering drawings survive. In 1991, a working difference engine was successfully built using Babbage's original plans, proving feasibility. His architecture introduced essential computing concepts, including memory storage, processing units, and programmable input-output systems. 5. Michael Faraday, 1791 to 1867. Michael Faraday discovered electromagnetic induction in 1831, demonstrating that moving a magnet through a coil could generate electric current. This principle became the basis for electric generators and transformers. Faraday also contributed to the development of electric motors. Modern power stations, national electricity grids, and household electrical systems operate on scientific principles he experimentally verified and documented. 4. James Watt, 1736 to 1819. James Watt significantly improved the steam engine by introducing a separate condenser in 1769, increasing efficiency and reducing fuel consumption. While he did not invent the original steam engine, his refinements enabled widespread industrial application. Watt's improvements accelerated mechanized manufacturing and transportation during the Industrial Revolution. The unit of power, the watt, is named in recognition of his documented engineering contribution. 3. Alan Turing, 1912 to 1954. Alan Turing formalized the concept of a universal computing machine in 1936, establishing the theoretical basis for programmable computers. During the Second World War, he contributed to cryptographic analysis at Bletchley Park. His mathematical work in algorithm theory, machine computation, and logic underpins modern computer science. Contemporary computing systems and digital infrastructure operate within frameworks derived from Turing's theoretical models. 2. Alexander Graham Bell, 1847 to 1922. Alexander Graham Bell, born in Scotland, patented the first practical telephone in 1876. While other inventors worked on similar voice transmission systems, Bell secured the key patent and demonstrated intelligible voice communication over wire. His work established the foundation for telephone networks. Modern telecommunications, including landlines, mobile networks, and digital voice systems, evolved from Bell's documented electrical signal transmission principles. 1. Tim Berners-Lee, 1955. In 1989, while working at CERN, Tim Berners-Lee proposed a system for sharing information using hypertext across computer networks. By 1991, the first website and web browser were operational. In 1993, CERN made World Wide Web protocols royalty-free, enabling rapid global adoption. Berners-Lee developed core technologies including HTTP, HTML, and URLs. The World Wide Web transformed global communication, commerce, education, media, and the digital economy. Modern online services and internet infrastructure depend directly on his documented innovation. 15 British inventors who quietly transformed the modern world highlights how documented British innovation shaped electricity, industrial power, aviation, telecommunications, computing, and the internet. These verified contributions continue to influence modern technology, global communication systems, medicine, and engineering. The modern world stands firmly on the foundational achievements of these British pioneers. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell.